All right, so let's use that same kind of idea in the last podcast in this one. Check it out. I got to find my T1 and I got to find my D for this following arithmetic sequence. Look what I've given. I'm given the 10th term and the 27th term. Oh, man. Oh, no. What do I do? Simple. Look, there's a whole bunch of terms. There's 9 terms before this. That's term 10, and we know that that's 50. Then we're given a whole bunch of terms all the way out to here. That's term 27, which we know that's 152. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to temporarily make this term 1. How did I get there? Well, to make that term 1, I had to subtract 9 off this, didn't I? Right? I made it term 1. So guess what? I'm going to subtract 9 off of this as well. Then that becomes term 18. And I'm going to use my formula, and you can only do this because of the fact that you have a common difference. That's really, really important. So I'm going to use my formula, Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. I'm going to use this formula now to find out what this guy is. Then I'm going to go backwards and find out my common difference and my first term. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's find D first. So temporarily, this is 18. So that's 18. That's 18. Okay, so T18 is 152. T1 temporarily is 50 plus 18 minus 1, that's 17 times D. This is really easy to solve now. Subtract the 50, subtract the 50. That gives me 102 equals to 17D. Then all you have to do here is subtract divide the 102 by 17, and you'll get, watch this, you get D equaling to 6. There's your common difference. Now, get rid of this temporary garbage. All this stuff was temporary, get rid of it. Now you know the common difference, D, is in fact 6. Now we can find out this guy, T1. Well, how are you going to do that? Are you going to go back 9 times to find it? Think about how silly that would be. That's got to be 50 minus 6, which is 44, and then go back and go back. No. Use the formula again. Look, Tn equals to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. Remember, Tn stands for any term. Well, let's let it be the 10th term. So that's 10. That's 10, right? T10 is now 50. T1 is what we're trying to find. N is 10 minus 1. Oh, that's easy. That's 9. And now I know what D is. D is, in fact, 6. So check this out. Okay? 9 times 6 is 54, right? So look at this. 50 equals to T1 plus 54. Now all I got to do is solve. Subtract 54 from both sides. Oh my goodness, look at this. My T1 was in fact -4. My first term of this big, ugly, honking monster, this guy here, was -4. Look at that. And we went up by 6s till we got to T10, which is 50, and then up by 6s again until we got to T27, which is 152. That makes a whole lot of sense.